Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with admin access because this operation changes boot configuration. Without it, you cannot disable test mode. Once you have saved work and closed apps, open Start and type CMD, then choose Run as administrator. Explain why. The bcedit utility modifies system boot settings and requires elevation to avoid permissions errors. Make sure to verify Windows Edition and that Secure Boot isn't blocking unsigned drivers. This ensures the next commands will apply successfully. Now you execute the core commands. Type bcedit/set test signing off and press Enter. This clears test signing mode at boot. Once done, run bcedit/set nointegrated checks off to restore driver signature enforcement. Together they revert the changes that enabled test mode. You check results by running bcedit/enum all, ensure the test signing and nointegrated checks entries show off. If entries don't appear, repeat commands as administrator and watch for syntax errors. Reboot the PC to apply the updated boot configuration. This is required because bcedit changes take effect at startup. After the restart, verify visually. The test mode watermark should be gone, and you can open system information, msinfo32, to confirm test signing is disabled. If the watermark persists or msinfo32 still shows enabled, boot into safe mode. Repeat the elevated bcedit commands to ensure no other boot entry overrides settings. One tip: double-check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.